The recently revealed Celestiq is a $300,000 bespoke electric Cadillac that's still over a year away. So while you're waiting, why not snack on a Blackwing appetizer like this CT4-V? A rear-wheel drive, twin-turbo, shift-for-yourself compact sedan that is both a beauty and a beast.
Earlier this year, I spent a week with the tuxedoed sledgehammer, the Corvette-powered CT5-V. Though I knew this one couldn't match that car's insane speed, when this blaze orange CT4-V arrived, I was expecting an even more rambunctious take on the performance sedan. After all, it's priced from $30,000 less, likely attracting a more juvenile customer less concerned with comfort. I couldn't have been more wrong.
The variance between tour and track mode on this car is as wide as it comes. In its most sedate settings, you could very well be in a Chevy Malibu. It is that laid back. But customize the V mode to its most hardcore settings, and the CT4 zooms to life at the press of a button. 8 different characteristics are tailored here to deliver a driving experience punctuated by boisterous, long-lasting off-throttle exhaust sounds and cataclysmic throttle response. And I'm capturing it all right now with a performance video and data recorder.
Magnetic Ride Control 4.0 showcases its brilliance once again by reeling in this track-focused chassis, dispensing with any unwanted firmness. Like it tighter? Just slide that suspension meter all the way to the right, and the Blackwing hunkers down, affording greater control, but still absent from harshness. If there's but one takeaway from my review, it's that this car is highly malleable, molded however you like for the ultimate in dynamic range. While the V8 is reserved for the bigger Blackwing, GM's evolved 3.6-liter twin-turbo V6 proves to be the right fit here, keeping the CT4-V from feeling front-end heavy while packing a serious punch. Tuned to 472 horsepower and boosted to 445 pound-feet of torque, this is truly the Caddy that zigs, capable of laying down a 0 to 60 time of 4.1 seconds. That can be achieved based upon the driver's own merits or aided by a launch control sequence, even with the manual transmission. These electronic goodies are found within the car's track settings and in conjunction with performance traction management, a pre-programmed set of 5 levels of experience-based traction control intervention to be used on racetracks. Both PTM and the driver's customizable V driving mode can be accessed right from the steering wheel. Now, if this all sounds confusing, it truly isn't, and by all means far less so than setting up similar systems in a BMW M4. It's that time of year in upstate New York when either a snowstorm or a 70-degree day is possible, so Cadillac sent this car with Michelin Pilot Alpine PA4 winter tires in place of the summer-only Pilot Sport 4S's typically fitted. And though there's been some sub-freezing temps, there's been no snow. Indeed, these are fine tires to preserve sports car performance in severe weather conditions, but not without some degradation of steering feel and handling. In other words, I'm not getting the CT4-V's best effort here. Still, whether driving in the mid-range sport mode or dabbling in the competition settings, this is a phenomenal driver's car. On my favorite rural roads, and there are some great ones here, I prefer most settings set to sport, but with the engine sound turned all the way up. With the exhaust flaps wide open, this car lets loose with impressive off-throttle backfires that seemingly continue for days. This clutch shifter combo is nothing short of spectacular, as easy to drive in all conditions as they come while still delivering pinpoint accuracy to gear engagement. If you were to teach someone how to drive stick, this would be the perfect choice. Out here where the roads are twisty and undulating, the CT4-V is incredibly poised, but can be prodded into rear drive friskiness. The electronic limited slip differential keeps the power to the pavement, and the V6's power delivery is so linear that putting your right foot down coming out of a turn makes for the fastest controlled getaway. Even though this car isn't fitted with either of the available carbon fiber packages, the Aero still produces big downforce. Brembo brakes do the stopping, but track rats will miss having carbon ceramics, an option exclusive to the bigger Blackwing. I've played with Caddy's optional performance data and video recorder many times before and love having it here. The forward-facing camera captures driving heroics with customizable overlays, saved to an SD card for later analyzation and social media sharing. Priced from near $62,000, an option here to $71,535, this car is loaded, highlighted by this stunning $4,900 natural tan leather interior, bundled with a high-performance steering wheel and suede microfiber trim. Lumbar massage, automatic heated and cooled seats, a customizable head-up display, and a big-time 15-speaker AKG audio system uphold Cadillac luxury. The 8-inch touchscreen display fits neatly within the CT4's compact dimensions and supports wireless phone projection. Though the trunk is sized the same as the midsize CT5s, the rear seats are very tight. The front seats are trimmed with black microfiber on their backsides and come embossed with the V logo, so at least the view is nice, but adults will be cramped in these two seats. The fossil-fueled sports sedan segment is dwindling quickly, and though I love the EV performance boom, cars like the CT4-V Blackwing are to be cherished and revered. For TopSpeed.com, I'm Steve Hammis.